Kitchen Island Trends 2026. Kitchen trends in 2026 are all about blending functionality with bold personal style. The kitchen island is no longer just a prep station, it's the centerpiece of the entire kitchen. One major kitchen island trend is multi-level surfaces for cooking, dining, and working. People want a kitchen island that supports laptops, cutting boards, and dinner plates, sometimes all at once. Textured finishes are in, and smooth, glossy kitchen trends are making way for tactile materials. Think fluted wood panels or matte stone across your kitchen island base for visual intrigue. Natural stone is dominating kitchen island surfaces, especially quartzite and leathered granite. Say goodbye to sterile whites. 2026 kitchen trends welcome earthy tones and dramatic veining. Bold colors are having a moment, with kitchen islands in navy, forest green, and even rust. Two-tone kitchen islands are in, combining wood with stone or metal for dynamic contrast. Waterfall edges are still hot, but now they often extend into hidden storage or seating features. Smart technology is moving into kitchen trends, and the island is command central. Touchless faucets, built-in wireless chargers, and pop-up outlets redefine the kitchen island. Built-in herb gardens or compost drawers are turning kitchen islands into eco-hubs. Minimalist lovers, rejoice! Kitchen trends now include hidden appliances in the island itself. Drawers that chill wine or store dry goods are seamlessly integrated into the kitchen island. In open-plan homes, the kitchen island doubles as a room divider with character. Backless shelves are popular on kitchen islands for quick access and decorative flair. Seating gets an upgrade, too. 2026 kitchen trends call for comfy, upholstered island stools. Lighting is essential, and sculptural pendants turn the kitchen island into a design statement. Reclaimed wood is making a comeback in kitchen island builds for that warm, lived-in vibe. Kitchen trends highlight the importance of sustainability, especially in island materials. Mixed metals are trending, brass handles paired with black or bronze faucets above the island. Rounded edges are gaining traction, softening the look of a sharp, angular kitchen island. Compact kitchens aren't left out. Mobile kitchen islands offer flexibility and storage on wheels. Kitchen trends are all about personalization, and custom islands reflect unique homeowner needs. Islands with built-in seating nooks or pet feeding stations are showing up in modern kitchens. Glass front drawers and open shelving create a more airy, less bulky kitchen island profile. Monolithic kitchen islands in a single slab of marble or concrete are eye-catching conversation pieces. Color-blocked islands add drama and can define zones within the kitchen. Some kitchen trends favor minimalist slab-style islands, with handleless drawers and sleek surfaces. Storage innovation is big. Expect deep drawers, spice organizers, and hidden trash bins in the island. For entertainers, kitchen islands now include built-in wine fridges, warming drawers, or even taps. Backlit panels or LED strips bring ambient lighting to the underside of the kitchen island. Kitchen trends in 2026 are all about experience, cooking, socializing, and living in one vibrant space. Designers are treating the kitchen island like furniture, not just cabinetry with a countertop. Curved islands are rising in popularity, creating a softer, more organic kitchen flow. Double kitchen islands are showing up in luxury homes, one for prep, one for presentation. Floating kitchen islands with toe-kick lighting give the illusion of a weightless centerpiece. In smaller kitchens, butcher block top islands double as compact dining spots. Matte black remains a top finish in kitchen trends, often seen in island cabinetry and hardware. Natural light is key, and kitchen islands positioned under skylights or windows are highly sought after. Artistic tile work is making its way onto kitchen island bases as a bold style statement. Multifunction is the name of the game. Today's kitchen island is a bar, office, and cook space in one. As 2026 approaches, one thing is clear: the kitchen island has earned its role as the heart of the kitchen.